of triangles આપડા પછી લેશું. What do you mean by congruency? Can anyone tell me? Girls,
Yes.
can anyone tell me what do you mean by congruency? Hello?
Corresponding sides are equal in length, equal in length.
Very good. You are related to somewhere, but let me go through again. Okay, I'll go through from the beginning. A word congruency means, I'm talking about only a word congruent, not about triangles, not about any other shape. Shape can be anything, okay? If, for example, we take plain, simple shape as square, so this is another square. Both drawing upar no jata nanu moto ithase sir nu. Now, can I say that this square is congruent to this square? How can we recognize if the shape is equal and the size of the shape is equal? When these two parts are equal, the shape is square, this is also square, size of the square is equal with this size of the square, yes, equal, that means this is congruency shape with each other. Congruence એટલે બીજી ભાષામાં, in short we can say that two equal shapes, two equal with two equal measures or size is known as congruency shapes. Understood? समझ पड़े छे? खाली स्क्वेर
Yes,
नहीं,
sir.
कोई पण शेप હોય. For example, this shape is given like this. હવે એવો ને એવો બીજો શેપ, ભલે ડ્રો ગમે તેમ થયેલો હોય, પણ આવો ને આવો એની સેમ સાઇઝ અને સેમ ફિગર લાગતો હોય, that means if this is equal to this part with the shape and size, that means this is congruence to each other. The congruence no symbol કેવો હોય? Is equal to ની ઉપર આવું. This is the symbol of congruency to each other. Is equal to અને ઉપર slant zigzag. Okay? Again, I am drawing here. This is congruency, the symbol of congruency. Sum માં આપણે જે લખશું એ આ symbol લખશું. Everywhere congruence લખવાની છે. Is that clear?
Yes,
Girls?
sir.
Okay, this was about the plane figure. Okay, now let us talk about line segment. How can we recognize the line segments are congruents? So we can say that this is a line segment drawn here, for example, of 5 centimeter. And this is also I have drawn here of 5 centimeter again. How we got this 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter? By recognizing the length of the line Yes or no? By recognizing
Yes.
the length of the line segment, we can say that this is congruent to this one. સમજાય છે? હવે સીધે સીધી પણ ના હોય. If this line is given like this as 5 centimeter, for example, the another line will be given like this 5 centimeter. So એવું જરૂરી નથી કે now this line is not congruent to this line. No, not at all. We have to check out by recognizing, by measuring the length of the line segments. સમજાણું કે નહીં? આપણે length measure કર્યા વગર આપણે એને એમ ના કહી શકાય કે આ congruent નથી. એ તો લાઈન ને એને મન થયું કે લાઈન મારે આમ ડ્રો કરવી છે, તો ક્વેશ્ચનમાં તો એનો મતલબ એવો નથી કે લાઈન ઊંધી સીધી હોય એટલે તમારે કોંગ્રુએન્સ ના હોય. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, એક લાઈન આવી રીતે હોય તો એક લાઈન આવી રીતે છે, ચલો Now I have written here 5 centimeter by measuring. Can we say that this line and this line is congruent to each other?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. We have to concentrate on measures of the line segment or on the length of the line segment. If both are equal, we can say that these two line segments are equal. Understood or not?
Yes, understood.
And what is this symbol belongs to?
Congruence.
Very good. Congruence to each other. Got it? Chalo, next
Yes.
question. Next part. Now this was about line segment. Now I want to talk about angles. For example, if this is of 30 degree, okay, and I will say this is of 30 degree. Now, can I say these two angles are congruent to each other?
Yes.
No.
How many of you agree that no, we cannot say?
Sir, I agree.
You agree? Who do not agree, please?
Sir, I do not agree.
Sir,
Okay.
I do not agree.
Okay, two girls then.
Sir, I do not agree.
Okay, third girl then. Okay, let it be. Now, what Mohammed sir is telling that I do agree that these two angles are congruent to each other. When we are measuring angles, we don't care about the sides. Side nani hoy, moti hoy, no hoy, we don't care about it. We have to just simply measure the angle with the help of protractor. Protractor મૂક્યું angle 30 degree આપેલું છે, ન આપેલું હોય તો we have to measure. આમાં measure કરવાનું આવતું નથી. But with the help of protractor only we will measure these angles. Angles કેવી રીતે મળે? If you got this 30 degree, this is also is given 30 degree. So why don't we get the congruency in that angles? When we are measuring angles, at that time we do not have to look about sides. And if we are measuring sides, we don't care about angles. Understood or not? આને હવે length મોટી કરો તો આ same sum નહીં થઈ જાય?
Yes, some થઈ જાય.
Why don't we care about angles instead of sides? Sides તો અહીંયા પણ મોટી છે આની કરતા મેં ચાઈ કરીને મોટી ડ્રો કરી છે અહીંયા this length, અને આ હાથે કરીને મેં નાની કરેલી છે to make you confused. Understood, girls? So when we are talking about angles, we have to just simply concentrate on angles. Understood? Sides and
Yes.
angles ne સાથે લેવા દેવા નહીં. ચલો. Now you are very cleared with congruency, a word congruency, બરાબર? And you are very cleared with the word congruency with sides. Sides કેવી રીતે ખબર પડે whether it is congruent or not? Girls, side કેવી રીતે ખબર પડે whether the sides are congruent or not?
With the measurement?
With the equal measurement of length, with the equal length measures, right? If they are having same measures, we can say that the line segments are congruent to each other. Barabar? Then we can measure the angles. If both the angles are equal, we can say that both the angles are congruent to each other. બંને topic clear થઈ ગયા બચ્ચા પાર્ટી?
Yes.
Now forget about all the other shapes. બરાબર? Line segment ને angles ને ધ્યાનમાં રાખવાનું છે. Is that clear? Now we are coming to congruency of triangle. What we are coming to? Congruency of
Triangle.
triangle. બરાબર? congruency તો concept clear થઈ ગયો આપણો. Now we
Yes.
have to concentrate on triangles. Barabar છે? Now, before we recognize or before we learn how to check out the congruency, whether the triangles are congruent to each other or not, before we go through, I want you to learn one topic, which is the most important one for recognizing the triangles. Okay? Triangle ne recognize કરવા માટે, શું recognize કરવા માટે? Whether it is congruence or not. સમજ પડી? Whether
Yes.
it is congruence or not. એ કેવી રીતે ખબર પડશે? With the help of
Corresponding.
what? Corresponding. With the help of
Corresponding.
अगर corresponding હશે triangle, then only it will be congruence. સમજાણું કે નહીં?
સમજાયું.
To recognize congruency of triangle, we have to follow the criterias. What we have to follow? There are few criterias here we have to follow. There are few criterias that we have to follow. Okay? Understood?
Yes.
समझ पड़े છે? To recognize the congruency of triangle, there are few criterias that we have to follow. These all criteria belongs to what?
Corresponding.
And corresponding, if triangles, આ બે triangle છે for example, we have to check whether it is congruence or not to each other. બરાબર છે? સમજ પડી કે નહીં? So how to check? We have to follow this word. If this word is fulfilling their limits, we can say the congruency is satisfying their criteria. Understood? With the help of this, any one criteria must be fulfilling, and with the help of this criteria, congruency of triangle is possible. Understood the content?
Yes. Yes.
તો આપણે અત્યારે કયો વર્ડ ભણવાનો છે? પહેલા word we are learning is
Corresponding.
corresponding. Now, what is the symbol for congruency? Congruency no symbol શું છે? Is equal to, અને એના ઉપર
And zigzag line.
થોડું zigzag. Okay? This is the symbol of congruency. Now, what is the symbol of corresponding? Symbol of corresponding is this, two arrow. Line with the two arrow.
Yes.
समझ पड़ी के ना पड़ी? Now to understand this corresponding, હું diagram પછી draw કરીશ. પહેલા આમ નામ તમને સમજાવી દઈશ. We are taking two triangles, triangle ABC. આમ નામ વધારે easily સમજાશે. And triangle PQR. ચલો. બરાબર? સર આમ નામ કેમ સમજાશે? આમ નામ સમજાવી દઉં પહેલા. પછી આપણે ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો કરીને તમને ઇઝીલી સમજાઈ જશે. Now, we have to recognize whether these two triangles are congruent to each other or not. But congruency no main base શું છે? Corresponding. If the triangles are corresponded to each other, that means the triangle are congruent to each other. બરાબર? Now, what do you mean by corresponding? We have to check the place of the letter. Letter ની place બહુ important છે. Over here, is it A? A ની જગ્યાએ શું છે? P.
P.
In the place of B, what is in the place of B?
Q.
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 In the place of C, what is in the place of C?
R.
समझ पड़ी गई? Now, to recognize corresponding, there are two paths. Corresponding છે કે નહીં ચેક કરવા માટે બે પાર્ટ છે. કયા બે પાર્ટ છે? Let us check that. We can check whether it is corresponding by sides and by angles. बराबर girls?
Yes, sir.
By sides and by angles. Now can I say line sides એટલે શું? Line segment AB. હવે AB છે, AB is this one. So A ની જગ્યાએ શું છે? P અને B ની જગ્યાએ Q. So AB is correspond to PQ. समझ पड़ी के ना पड़ी?
Yes. Sorry.
Line BC is correspond to QR. B ની જગ્યાએ શું છે? B ની જગ્યાએ Q છે અને C ની જગ્યાએ R છે.
R.
Okay. Then A and C. જો હવે AC લખો, A and C. Line AC is correspond to line
PR.
PR. હવે RP
Yeah.
લખી શકાય નહીં. Let me clear you. ઘણી વખત એવું બને કે તમે RP લખો તોય ચાલે, પણ આમાં ચાલે જ નહીં, because in the place of letter the exact letter should be there. If you want to write RP, the અહીંયા શું લખવું પડે તમારે?
CA.
CP,
CA
CA.
લખવું પડે. સમજ પડી ગઈ કે ના પડી?
Yes.
When we are recognizing corresponding parts, this is the symbol of corresponding.
Yes.
સમજાય
Yes.
છે? AB
Yes.
correspond to PQ, BC correspond to QR, AC correspond to PR. તો આ corresponding parts થાય છે. Now, if we are talking about angle A, so angle A is correspond to which angle?
P.
P.
Angle P. Then angle B is correspond to
Angle Q.
angle Q, and angle C is correspond to angle.
Angle R.
So if these two parts are fulfilling, that means we can say triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent to each other. समझ पड़ी गई કે નહીં? Very easy concept. Sums કરશો એટલે તમને આપોઆપ આઈડિયા આવી જશે શું કરીએ છે. But are you clear with the word corresponding?
Yes.
Are you clear with the word congruence?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Congruence of a triangle is based on corresponding of a triangle. If the corresponding is properly, it is fulfilling the part of the congruence. Any doubt with this content?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are coming to the next topic. Corresponding કોની ઉપર base છે? On what base we can say that this is a corresponding to each other? We will follow the rules, sorry, the criteria of the given things. Okay? First criteria. First criteria is SSS. It stands for side, side, side. समझ पड़ी के ना पड़ी? Now, leave this at a side for a while. હવે આપણે જે ઓલું ભણ્યા corresponding, એના બે ટ્રાયંગલ તમને સમજાવતા ભૂલી ગયો. If for example ABC was the triangle which was given, બરાબર છે? એવું જરૂરી નથી કે PQR એવું ને એવું ટ્રાયંગલ હોય. A ની જગ્યા P જ મળે, Q and R એવું જરૂરી નથી. Is that clear or not? This
Yes,
triangle
clear.
can be like this also. This triangle can be like this also. અને અહીંયાથી પણ ચાલુ થતું હોય PQR. બરાબર? Only the thing is we have to follow કે અહીંયા ક્વેશ્ચનમાં ટ્રાયંગલ કેવી રીતે લખાઈને આપેલા છે. ટ્રાયંગલ ABC આપેલું છે અને ટ્રાયંગલ PQR આપેલું છે. Are you getting? So in the place of A will be always P. સમજ પડી કે ના પડી?
Yes.
We have to recognize the question what is given. According to that question, triangle can be in any form. Adu, ubu, slant, am niche jatu triangle, whatever it may be. We don't care about the direction of the triangle. બરાબર? Scalene triangle છે, acute triangle છે, obtuse triangle છે, we don't care about it. We have to simply check out whether in the place of A નું જે એંગલ છે એ P નું એંગલ લાગુ પડે છે, B નું એંગલ છે એ Q નું એંગલ લાગુ પડે છે, C નું એંગલ છે એ R નું એંગલ લાગુ પડે છે. That means these angles are corresponded to each other. Yes. AB line છે એ PQ ની લાઈન ને લાગુ પડે છે. Yes. Then BC is correspond to QR. Yes. AC, sorry, this is the second line. I'm sorry. And AC, the third line, is correspond to RP. PR, sorry, not AC, PR. RP not PR. Yes, that means that is correspond to each other. समझ पड़ी गई?
Yes.
Girls.
સર પણ સર BC છે ખબર કેમ પર કે આ BC ને PR નું કેમ કે બે તો એક જાત લાગે ને તો કોઈ પણ લઈ શકે.
So BC and PR.
એ લાઈન તમે ડ્રોઈંગ કરી હતી બરાબર, નીચેની લાઈન નીચેની ને ઉપરની લાઈન, તો ખબર કેમ પર કઈ કઈ સાઈડ છે?
Criteria છે ને એના.
અચ્છા.
First criteria is side, side, side. Understood? હવે જો બે ટ્રાયંગલ છે, ક્વેશ્ચનમાં આપેલું જ હશે. If this is two triangles, okay? If they are saying this line is congruent to this line, in the question only it will be said, this second line is congruent to this second line, for example. And this third line is congruent to this third line. તો ત્રણેય side થી થયું. This side, this side, this side, ત્રણેય side. So કયો criteria follow થાય છે to make congruence of this triangle? Side, side, side. Understood? In the same way, the second criteria is SAS, side, angle, side. હવે જો આને ASS પણ ન લખી શકાય, SSA પણ ન લખી શકાય. બરાબર? It is SAS only. સમજ પડી ગઈ girls? SAS stands for side, angle, side. For example, these are the two triangles given. If this side is equal to this side, if this second side is equal to this second side, okay, then angle should be always in between. આ બે side congruent થઈ છે, angle should be this to follow. આ બંને સાઈડમાં આ જ angle follow થયું. These two angles, sorry, these two sides, then only it is congruence to each other. समझ पड़े છે? अगर for example चलो sides બંનેની अलग अलग જગ્યાએ મળી ગઈ. ચલો, if this side is this one and this two is this one, બરાબર છે? એકનું એંગલ અહીંયા છે અને બીજાનું એંગલ પણ આ સાઈડ છે. Is it congruence to each other?
No.
No.
Why?
Angle is different side to sir.
Very good. Because what we say that side angle side, we required side angle side. તો અહીંયા તો એંગલ અલગ ડાયરેક્શનમાં છે. બે સાઈડની વચમાં આવવું જોઈએ ને. Angle should be over here. If these two triangles want to be equal, this is side angle side. This is correct, but this angle was wrong. અહીંયા કે અહીંયા એંગલ આવે નહીં. આમાં પણ અહીંયા કે અહીંયા આ સાઈડ એંગલ આવે નહીં. It should be side angle side. એટલે બે સાઈડની વચમાં જ એંગલ આવવું જોઈએ. Understood girls?
Yes.
બે સાઈડ્સની વચમાં જ એંગલ આવવું જોઈએ. Then only it is said to be fulfilling the criteria SAS. Is that clear?
Yes.
ઈ તમે અત્યારે કન્ફ્યુઝ ન થાવ, લાઇન્સ ને નામ ને બધું ઈ લોકોએ આપેલું હશે, આપણે ખાલી રેકગ્નાઇઝ કરવાનું છે. ઓકે,
ઓકે.
એટલે બહુ કન્ફ્યુઝ નથી થવાનું. સર શું કરાવે છે મને કઈ ખબર નથી પડતી, આ બે ટ્રાયંગલ ડ્રો કરે છે, હવે સાઈડ કેવી રીતે ખબર પડે કે આ સાઈડ છે ને આ નથી ને? Yeah, some confusion will be there, don't worry at all. Now next part is, third criteria is angle side angle, ASA. Again આને બીજું નામ અપાતું નથી. AASSAA એવું કાંઈ લખાય નહીં. ASA. ASA means what?
Angle
If
side
this is
angle.
one angle, if this is one angle, and if this is one angle, and this one is one angle, which is correspond to each other, then side should be in between only. Angle side angle. હવે અહીંયાના આ side angle મૂકો, sorry side મૂકો, then this will be not congruent to each other. સમજાય છે? It should be always what? Angle side angle, angle side angle. સમજાણું કે નહીં?
સમજાઈ ગયું સર.
Understanding? If this is fulfilling, હવે ગમે તે ટ્રાયંગલ આ ત્રણ છે, હજી એક છે, બરાબર? આ ચાર માંથી એક ક્રાઇટેરિયા ફૂલફિલ થતો હશે, અંડર વોટ? અંડર કરસ્પોન્ડન્સ, and which will give us that the triangles are congruent to each other. સમજાણું કે નહીં?
સમજાઈ ગયું સર.
આ ત્રણ ક્રાઇટેરિયા તમે લર્ન કર્યા અત્યારે. ચોથું હું એક્સપ્લેન કરું. that criteria, that four criterias will be fulfilling the base of corresponding. બરાબર? And with the help of base of correspondence, we can say whether the two triangles are congruent to each other or not.
Yes.
Is that clear, girls?
Yes.
Very good. The last criteria is RHS. RHS stands for right angle, hypotenuse, side. શું છે ભાઈ? રાઈટ એંગલ, હાઇપોટેનિયસ, સાઇડ. RHS નો ફૂલ ફોર્મ શું થયો?
Right hypotenuse, right angle
hypotenuse
hypotenuse
side.
side.
So how many criterias we got it? 1, 2,
4.
3 and 4. This 4 criterias is the whole chapter. Barabar?
Yes.
How can we recognize right angle, hypotenuse, triangle? If for example the triangles are like this, barabar che? Do we have 190-degree angle on both the triangles?
Yes.
Yes. Do we have hypotenuse on both the sides opposite of right angle?
Yes.
બરાબર છે? અને કોઈ પણ એક સાઈડ, if this side is belonging, then this side should be there. If this side is belonging, then this side should be there. Any side should be equally presented. આનું પિલર આવ્યું હોય, આનું બેઝ આવ્યું હોય, તો it is not congruent to each other. બરાબર? If this is the pillar given and this side the pillar is given, that means 90 degree છે, hypotenuse છે, any of one side is equal. That means under RHS, right angle hypotenuse side, the two triangles are congruent. समझ पड़ी के ना पड़ी? Very easy. समझाई छे? 90 degree and hypotenuse is there. If for example A, B and C and P, Q and R is given. Chalo. Now, what is the content? The content is that triangle angle B is having 90 degree and angle R is 90 degree. Barabar chhe? If AC is hypotenuse, so PQ should be hypotenuse in the given question. So these two are fulfilling. If the question is given AB is equal to QR, So you are absolutely wrong. We cannot
PR.
fulfill it. શું આવે Aisha? It
PR.
should be PR. Now this is equal. If BC is given and if it is given PR, then it is wrong. It has to be what?
QR.
QR. 90 degree will be given, hypotenuse will be given, the third side should be recognized. समझ पड़ी गई girls?
Yes.
Under this 4 criteria the whole chapter is. આની બહારનો એક પણ સમ નથી. તમારો આખો chapter પૂરો થઈ ગયો. And there are only 2 exercises in this chapter, exercise 7.1 and 7.2. Okay? We are going to start with exercise 7.1 in our next lecture. Okay, girls?
Okay.
Have you all understood the chapter? The whole chapter is completed for explanation part, and everything is covered from this chapter. Okay, girls?
Okay.
Chalo, have a nice time. Do take care of yourself. Take care of your health very well. And please revise the chapter. Go through in PDF or textbook, whatever you have with you. You go through and refer it once so that when we do exercise, you do not have to waste much of the time to understand the same thing again and again. Okay?
Thank you for coming and have a nice day.
Okay. Bye-bye, girls. Khuda Hafiz.
Bye, sir. Bye. Bye, sir.
Bye, girls.
Bye, sir.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye, girls. Have a nice time. Have a safe weekend. Okay,
Bye,
chalo.
ma'am.
Bye, girls. Bye. Okay. Those who are still there, just keep some presentations ready. Like I have Anaya and Fatima had done the other day. So when we have some next proxy, we can do that. Okay. Girls, one of you.
Ma'am, I have.
Okay, but as she presented some good story, okay,
Okay, ma'am.
of 7th standard level. Okay, chalo, bye,
Okay,
girls.
ma'am.
Okay. Stay safe at home. Okay, chalo, bye.
Ma'am, last lecture is left.
Last lecture તો left છે.
એમ જ કહું છું. હજી એક ચેપ્ટર બાકી છે, હજી એક લેક્ચર બાકી છે ને.
Yes.
Yes. Recording ચાલુ છે. Which lecture is it? Social. Okay. Social. Okay. Which lecture is it? Ruby ma'am joined. Which lecture is going on? Hello. Hello. Which lecture is going on?
All of us is there. All of you are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, which lecture is there? Maths over now. Social. Okay.
Ruby ma'am, stop recording.
Yes, ma'am. Stop.